So you want to learn Japanese. You learn grammar, you learn vocabulary. Yes, I want to speak, but it's difficult. But this is not about just grammar and vocabulary. You just need to know communication. So, for example, if you want to make a Japanese girlfriend, what actually phrases will be the best to make a Japanese girlfriend or boyfriend? So this is not about grammar, or this is not even about your proficiency, amazing skill. This is about culture and pronunciation and also communication skills. If you really speak like wrong pronunciation, it's going to be just funny and maybe not nice. And also you have a good pronunciation, but you don't know what phrase is the best. So today, if you want to make a Japanese girlfriend, what phrase is the best? So of course you can say, kawaii, cute, you are so cute. Is it the best? It's too dialect, and mostly Japanese girl doesn't like this dialect opinion, like you are so cute, you are so sexy, like I want to fuck you, and it's not nice. So what phrase is the best? So you don't need to say directly, this is not Japanese way. You can just say a little bit nice, soft way, and I'm checking you, I'm actually like you, but not cute, like you are so cute, I like you. No, you can just say, for example, this like an earring, pierce. そのピアス新しいね。いいね、かわいいね。そのピアス新しいね。Oh, you are wearing a new pierce. Nice. Which means you kind of know this person and it's checking all the time. So it's, he actually know about me more. Wow, he checking details. Nice. That's actually the best phrase. Then you can say, you are so sexy. Oh, you are so cute. So this is definitely not good phrase. So try to check this detail. Even this stranger, I don't know her, but okay, you're wearing nice, cool bag. This bag, first time I see, nice. Or this bag is like it really suits you. You just actually check details, not like, oh, you are so cute. It's not like sensitive. It's not nice. So you can actually give this nice comment. そのカバンかわいいね。そのカバンかっこいいね。どこで買ったの? Where did you buy? Nice.